Next, we have some big drama. I actually wasn't tapped into this previously, this flickering issue, I guess, that was happening with Claude Code. I guess it was on like specific operating systems or setups, so it wasn't available to everyone. But they've said that they rolled out a fix for flickering to everyone on Claude Code. But the drama comes in is how they explain how they actually build the TUI, which is the terminal UI for Claude Code. And they're saying for each frame, our pipeline they claim to think of it as a small game engine, but then they say for each frame, our pipeline constructs a scene graph with React, then lays out elements, rasterizes them to 2D screen, diffs that against the previous screen, finally uses the diff to generate ANSI sequences to draw. We have a 16 millisecond frame budget, so roughly 5 milliseconds to go from the React scene to the ANSI written. And people are pissed about this, obviously. You know, all the React haters, like some things never change. People are going to hate React. They're going to hate JavaScript forever. So he's gotten a lot of responses. You know, Prime is like, if Jay Blow sees this, who is like we have Primeagen here, for example, that says if Jonathan Blow sees this, it would be a shame. Jonathan Blow is a game developer. He has his own programming language called Jai. I think he's very focused on performance, like C++. He used to make fun of like Visual Studio all the time, like calling it the worst software ever. So it's kind of like Claude Code's like the modern version of that. And people are just freaking out. They're like, why are you using React for a TUI? 16 millisecond budget, trash. So it's just fun to see, like kind of some old time drama. You know, we can laugh at it, and all the people that hate React will continue to, and React will just continue to take over the game. But just a quick one, feel free to leave your thoughts on where you sit with React for TUIs or just abstractions in general and versus writing really solid low level code.